Hello, welcome to another Cushy Crypto video. Guys, I fucking nailed it. I fucking nailed it. $20 ERG. Ka-ching. $2.50 ADA. Ka-ching. Sold that. $60,000 Bitcoin. Oh, ka-ching. Sold that as well. And this behind me, that's what I get for it, boys. I'm in Portugal. What a ride. What a ride. Well, I guess you guys are going to be poor for another 3 years, so this video is just basically me bragging. Yeah, I'll be over there in a minute. I'm just shooting this. Yeah, no, this chair works on grass fine. Yeah, I know it's broken. I need to get a new one, yeah. But yeah, wild ride. Timed everything to perfection. In this video, I'm going to be explaining why everything's going to be down only, and basically be explaining how I'm not going to be looking at this market for another fucking 3 years. See ya. You'll never dump on me. Fuck Elon.
The children of the revolution. Now you won't fool the children of the revolution. No. Yeah!
I'm going to take up smoking professionally. I'm going to take up crack cocaine. I'm going to take up heroin. I'm going to take up self-abuse. I'm going to cut my fucking ears off. No, I'm just feeling pissed that I didn't take enough profits near the top. $20 ERGO was insane. Just a couple weeks ago in a video, I was saying we were at $3 ERGs. And I'm like, yeah, this is getting a bit crazy. $5. Yeah, oh, this is getting a bit crazy. Hopefully there's more people about. And then we go all the way up to $20. And I didn't capitalize. You know, I took a little bit of profits, nowhere near as much as what I should. But we're here on ERGO now. It's still at $9. I mean, it's still. I mean, if you have been watching my videos, I've rarely made a video with ERGO over $9. So we should be sitting in profits. Other coins, I don't even want to fucking talk about, to be honest. Like Premier, 50 cents. That's just pure pain right there. It's not a winner, and you're going to be adding to your winners. API free to ETH is looking bad, but I mean, if this holds here, we might start to see alts rally in ETH, because there's a huge narrative around ETH flipping Bitcoin this run. Do I think that's going to happen? I don't know. I've seen people say briefly, it all comes down to July. That's what it all comes down to, July. And whether or not the smart contracts coming to Cardano is going to be big, and whether or not ETH2 is delayed. Obviously got everything going on in the world right now. I don't think the money printing is going to stop anytime soon. But we're seeing more regulation come. We're seeing the meme coins just put a spotlight on the space in a bad way. And honestly, if I really thought about it, I think I could actually squeeze out a tier right now. Just imagine all those donuts you could have had. Imagine all those burgers you could have had right now. Imagine all those drugs you could have had. Fuck. I can't bring myself to do it. Because I know long term, I'm not worried. But short term, I fucking ate shit for 4 years. Some bad stuff has happened. I'm fucking scared. I'm scared. You do what you want to do. I know nothing. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be holding. And everyone is expecting a little relief rally on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is crawling back up. Bitcoin is holding support here. I mean, I think a lot of people would have been buying around here. All it's going to take is from some large players like Facebook. Fucking sour, please. Facebook, please. Facebook, Mark, fucking please. We need some big heavy hitters to be like, we're buying Bitcoin. We bought Bitcoin. We bought the dip. And then we can continue going up forever. Because otherwise, we're going to eat shit for a little while. There's some cool stuff coming out on Bitcoin. If you've not looked at Liquid, then I would say go look at Liquid. One positive is that I did sell some altcoins into Bitcoin. Granted, probably sold a bit early, but it's hard. I mean, there was a few hours in it between the switch. You know, some of us have got minimum wage jobs to do as well, so we cannot be looking at the charts all day, although we fucking should be looking at the fucking charts all day, fucking sat on our computers all day making fucking money. Some of us struggle to sleep, and we want to make it out mentally fine. We don't want to be fucked. I think I'm close to being fucked, to be fair, but Liquid Network, they got some good stuff coming out. We've got Taproot coming out on Bitcoin, which is meant to like start smart contracts, which I don't know how big that would be, but yeah, the liquid stuff. And we start seeing dApps come out implementing like faster transactions on Bitcoin, so you can like play on poker sites with Bitcoin, and just the adoption wave should come slowly, and we should grind up slowly for this super cycle. I do not expect a bear market for 4 years. My prediction is we slowly grind up, and as Bitcoin gets more accepted and the older generation starts to die off, and I become in my 50s and Bitcoin's way over 200k or 300k, and we are the boomers. We are boomers with our Bitcoin, and then the younger guys are like buying all kinds of stuff, or we're the boomers with our Cardano. Doge is no longer a thing. Yeah, come check out this. Worth a check out. And like I was saying before, the positive is the fact that I have actually managed to get more Bitcoin during this pump. I didn't capitalize on it as much as I should. I should be sitting on so much money right now, as always. That's what you always tell yourself in this fucking space. But we love it. I have been saying about the end of May going down, and then July we're revving back up for August, when I think it will go a bit crazy again. November, but it's hard to tell. I don't know if the whole market, it's because of all the COVID lockdowns, everything happened much quicker. It's hard to tell. Like, I'm just retail noob. I'm retail smooth brain, and yeah, I think I'm gonna break down and fucking cry again. I need to make like a donation. I need a donation fucking page, please. No, I'm joking. But yeah, smart contracts come out in August on Cardano. Hopefully, I think I'm gonna be sick. But yeah, we got strong narratives around still. Adobe put the fucking prices up on this editing software by $9 as well. So now I feel really forced to make a video. We ride the highs, we ride the lows together. I hope you're all safe and well. I wish I had more to say in this video, but it's literally just blah 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 down only now. Blah 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 down only. The worst thing you can do though is completely leave the space because of something like this. The second worst thing you can do is get into leverage trading, because you will lose everything and it will set you up to just keep gambling. You don't want to be leverage trading at this stage of the market. Personally, I have never made a leverage trade in my life, and it's the one thing that I hear OGs say time and time again is all you have to do is survive. You haven't got to try and make the biggest win. You just got to survive in this market, and you're going to do okay. Easy come, easy go. Lame video. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers as well lately. I will have better content soon. I'm telling you now. July, August, we'll be tapping on all-time highs again on these altcoins, on Bitcoin. I bloody hope we are anyway. Nah, I'm making it all up. This is fucking over. See you later, boys. Peace and love. See you in the next one. I'm going for a fucking cigarette.